You may be wondering, what do these ad formats for Google Ads even look like? And when should you use them? In this video, you'll learn about several different types of Google Ads. Over the years, the types of ads that display in Google search have evolved. The ultimate goal is to show ads that fulfill a searcher's need. And you, as the digital marketer, will use these ads to fulfill the needs of your potential customers as well. Let's go over some different types of ads you will encounter in the SERPs. Text ads are classic ads with a title that is a link. Following the title is a short description. The description should appeal to the searcher and help them understand what they will find if they click on the web page. Shopping ads are specifically for e-commerce businesses. They show products related to the search. Often, products from several different companies have shopping ads displayed. This type of ad differs from text ads because a photo of the product shows in the SERPs. Local services ads are specifically for businesses with local, service-based customers. For example, locksmiths, plumbers, electricians, and real estate agents. To use a local services ad, the business has to be screened by Google. This means someone from Google has confirmed it's a legitimate business. The screening gives a business additional credibility with potential customers. Google Maps ads are for local businesses as well. However, unlike local services ads, they can be for local product-based businesses. For example, a Google Maps ad may work well for a restaurant, a jewelry store, or a fitness gym. Call ads are only for mobile searches, and have become popular as a result of more people using their phones rather than their computers to search for products and services. Call ads allow potential customers to click on the business to immediately make a phone call. For several Google ad types, there are several options for what is called an ad extension. An ad extension features additional information about a business, such as additional website links, a phone number, or an address. There are several ad extensions. Here are a few you should know about. Site link extensions include additional website links that may be helpful to the searcher. This type of extension appeared in our early text ad example. Call extensions make it possible to call a business by clicking on its ad. Another ad extension is the location extension. This extension enables customers to find a local business and pull it up on Google Maps. A fourth is the price extension, which is specifically for e-commerce businesses. It lists a specific product and its price. When a potential customer clicks on the link, they are taken directly to the product page. A fifth ad extension is the structured snippets extension. This information highlights specific aspects of your products and services. Examples of available headers include services, brands, amenities, types, and styles. In addition to the traditional search engine platforms, some digital marketers also consider YouTube a search engine platform. You may find that your potential customers use the platform to solve their problems. In that case, you may want to advertise there. A benefit of YouTube platform is that it can reach potential customers as they are researching a product or service. Often they are in the consideration phase of the marketing funnel. For example, a car dealership can advertise to potential customers as they're watching car reviews. Search engine marketing is an ever-evolving advertising opportunity. As Google learns more about how to best serve searchers, the different ad types and extensions evolve as well. As a marketer or e-commerce analyst, it's important to know the type of online advertising opportunities available.